Hey everybody, we're here at Disney's Art of Animation Hotel and we're checking out the Cars area of the hotel where you get the feeling that you're in Radiator Springs. This is a fully immersive layout of the whole section here. This is one of Disney's value resorts, and everything here is designed to look 3/4 scale, so it just seems life-size for children, and it's really cool with all the details that they've put in to this resort. Everything from the Cozy Cone pool to the characters throughout the hotel. So here we have Lightning McQueen, the one, the only, the man himself, Mr. Rusty's. He's over here in front of the gas pumps in front of the hotel, the main building. There's a few different buildings. This one's in the middle, and he's over here accompanied by Sally. Alright, we move over to the side. We check out some of the other things at the hotel here. Going past the pool, we'll find Fillmore just chilling out and checking out the scenery with all his flowers and plants in the area. You know how Fillmore likes his nature. He's very laid back, and he's just hanging out here doing his thing. Got all the so we move on over to Luigi's Casa della Tires, where we see Guido and Luigi. And they're over there selling tires. If you need a nice new set of white walls, check them out. I got the big stack of tires in the tower. Just like in the movie, everything is really well represented. And you really feel like you're in Radiator Springs. Look at all the details. It's really a lot of fun walking around this place. I definitely encourage you to go and check it out. Great for any fan, even anybody who's just new to cars. We make our way over to the Cozy Cone Motel, and this sign shows that we have vacancies, so that's good. We can go and stay at the Cozy Cone Motel. No vacancy, is not lit up, so we're good. The sign is off during the day, but at night it does have some nice neons. Hey Flo, what do you know? There you are. Over here next to Casa della Tires, we find Flo. Probably just got some nice set of tires. She got some nice white walls there. So, the detail on the buildings, we've got the desert scene from the Radiator Springs. And if we get a closer look, you got the nice cacti. Hop over to the other side and we'll check out Mr. Ramon. Painting cars all throughout the Radiator Springs. Just hanging out with his friends over here. And look on over to the side here, we're going to see come over here to Joe Mater's area. So we have Mater's garage, where Mater's just hanging out front, looking as happy as always. Love this guy, he's one of my favorites. And on the side of him, we'll check out some of his famous lucky dents that, you know, each one a different memory he wants to keep a hold on. Him and Lightning, as you know, up to always lots of fun and adventure. Each one of those is a memory worth cherishing. Even the details down to every last scratch is there. It's really cool how they put this whole land area together inside the hotel. Right. And there you go, the Cozy Cone Motel sign spins. I don't know if you saw that before. Look on over at Route 66. If you think Sheriff is slow, you won't get busted. Think again. Because he's not rusted. Rusty's. Rusty's is sponsoring, still here at the hotel, and watch out for Sheriff, there he goes. Hiding in the bushes, doing what they do, keeping an eye on things, keeping everybody safe, keeping Radiator Springs all safe for everybody. Hanging out over here in front of one of the other buildings. So we got rooms in 3 different buildings, which are all the rooms are Cars themed suites. And there he is, Mr. Doc Hudson himself, the Hudson Hornet. So definitely make your way over to Art of Animation. It's a great place to stay, great place to pop over and take a look at. Radiator Springs details. For every Cars fan, should absolutely come and check it out. Definitely stay in the Cars themed rooms. We have another video you can find on the channel where we explore the rooms in more depth, and you can see exactly what's inside the suites. If you haven't already, like the video, leave a comment, let us know if you've been here, what was your favorite part, what did you see that you liked the most, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.